Welcome to this channel, traders. It's been a while since I uploaded, but I am back. What I want you to do today is to subscribe to this channel because there's something that I've noted in this market that we trade. Let me show you. I want GBP JPY. Okay, there's something I've noted. The market keeps changing, so you have to stay updated on the strategies that are working at that time. For example, this GBP JPY, okay, on the 15-minute time frame. Remember, for my strategies, I use the sessions. There were times where this thing would be better or best traded if you mark the first candle of the London session. Let me just scroll a few days back. Okay, we can take it from here. You see what happened on this day. If you would mark the first candle of the London session and then you see price closing above that candle and you take a buy, you would make profit. Okay, for several days that was the case. First candle of the London session, price closes below, you scalp it. Okay, that would be the case. You see here, you mark the first candle of the London session, okay, and then price closes above, you would make it. Okay, see that I even made a video on this when I noted it. Okay, you mark the first candle of the London session, price closes above, you buy, you make it. Okay, so this was the strategy of the time. It was the best strategy of the time. Price closes below, you sell, you make it. You see that for several days this was working. Okay, for several days this was working. You see, you would mark the first candle of the London session, and then when price closes below, you would sell and make it. But what happens these days is somewhat different. See what price has been doing. Of course, you can stick to the older strategy. See what price is doing now. If you mark the first candle of the London session, let me zoom in a little bit. If you mark the first candle, is this the beginning? Let's take it from the beginning so that you know the current situation. Okay, you mark the first candle, price closes below right there, but it doesn't sell that much. It quickly moves in the opposite direction. Okay, let me show you here. See this. If you mark the first candle of the London session, price closes above here, it doesn't move much upward. It quickly moves in the opposite direction. Okay, see what happened right here. Price closed above the first candle, it moves up a little bit and then quickly reverses. So these days you would think that the strategy that was working before is no longer working. Well, today I want to show you something different just on this pair. Okay, let me remove what I've drawn. What you see currently happening in the market, price is responding. Remember that right here the London session overlaps with Tokyo. So what happens right here, price is responding to the Tokyo session. So instead of marking the London first candle of the London session, you will have to mark the last candle of the Tokyo session. Okay, there has been a change. So right here, okay, let me just add the London so that you can see the difference. Okay, let's add the London right there. So remember, for the first strategy, you would mark the first candle of the London session, and then it's not working out these days. But if you mark the last candle of the Tokyo session, okay, you see that price closes above, you make it. Okay, let me show you that it's what has been happening recently. You mark the last candle of the Tokyo session, price closes below, you make it. But with the previous strategy, if you mark the first candle of the London session, you don't make it. Okay, so it is just like that. The market is constantly changing and you have to stay above of it. You see, if you were to mark the first candle, you would miss it. But if you mark the last candle of the Tokyo session, you make it. So recently, things have changed. That's why I say you should subscribe to this channel so that you stay ahead of what the market is doing. Okay, what I usually do is compile something like this. Okay, I compile something like this, a trading guide. I make a PDF so that you know which pair to trade on which session. Okay, either the end or the beginning. So I make such a PDF. From time to time, I'm going to update it based on what will be happening in the market. This is the second version. There was the first version, but now I hope you can see that there is a little change. So very soon I'm going to make the third version. I'm going to share it with those who trade together with me. Once you buy the first version, the following versions usually come free for now. Let me say for now. Okay. And another thing, for those who cannot afford to buy it, if you register, you open an account with this broker right here. This is Fxview broker. Let me accept this. It's an ECN broker. I think they won the best award for ECN brokers, best ECN broker on 2023 in Dubai. Okay, so they've been awarded for being the best ECN broker. It's multi-regulated and it's got all the trading platforms that we use, MT4, MT5, and Act Trader. Okay, so it is like that. These are the deposit methods. You can just come here, Fxview, or I will leave the link in the video description. And on another note, please, for the links, send me a message on this WhatsApp number. You are going to find all the links that you need and the information on how to buy that PDF that I have shown you. Okay, for now it's $30. I haven't changed the price. Okay, I hope you find it like that. So be quick on getting this thing. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. That's what I wanted to say.